Hello, NCLEX family. This is question number 3. A patient complains of chest pain consistent with myocardial infarction. The nurse charts vital signs such as, before I get to it, this video may be cut short if you're not on YouTube or TikTok. To watch the full video on YouTube, just click the link in the description so you can find out the answer and rationale. Okay, let's get to it. A patient complains of chest pain consistent with myocardial infarction. The nurse charts vital signs such as hypotension, moistened clammy skin, decreased urine, and rapid pulse that's becoming weaker and weaker. The nurse alerts the healthcare provider based on which complication? A. Cardiogenic shock. B. Cardiac tamponade. C. Pulmonary embolism. D. Dissecting thoracic aortic aneurysm. Now choose your answer and comment down below. Okay guys, are you ready? And the answer is cardiogenic shock. Here's why. But first off, I will let you in on a little secret. If you know how to shift your thinking from memorization of facts to learning how to think, to be able to understand the bigger picture of the next generation NCLEX exam, then you will arrive at the same conclusion as mine. I teach my students how to think and not what to think. If you want to know how, just check out my website. It's www.sustainablewoman.me and click the link in the description. My course teaches the nuts and bolts of the correct thinking process for the next generation NCLEX exam. I teach my students how to think and not what to think. So just check out my website. That's www.sustainablewoman.me. So the correct answer is cardiogenic shock. Here's why. Cardiogenic shock will cause about more than 40% of damage to the left ventricle of the heart. So the nurse should alert the healthcare provider. The patient's body will develop metabolic acidosis as a consequence of the shock. The signs associated with cardiogenic shock include hypotension, cool, moist skin, decreased urine output, and a rapid pulse that becomes weaker. So let me repeat that. Cardiogenic shock will cause more than 40% of damage to the heart's left ventricle. The nurse should alert the healthcare provider because of that. The patient's body will develop metabolic acidosis as a consequence of the shock. Now, classic signs associated with cardiogenic shock include cool, moist skin, hypotension, decreased urine output, and a rapid pulse that becomes weaker. There you go. There you go. If you want to arrive at the correct answer, learn the mechanics of NCLEX thinking. Just check out my website. That's www.sustainablewoman.me. It's spelled M-E. Click the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel or follow me. Guys, this is question number 3 of my Do-It-Yourself NCLEX series. Stay tuned for question number 4. Hit the like button, subscribe, or follow me. I'll see you guys.